Okay guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to go over another trade recap. This is going to be on GBPUSD and it was a buy. You can see here on my screen. I'm going to go over all the reasons why I took the trade, what I was thinking, why I put the target there, and all the reasoning behind the trade. Okay, so let's go over on trading view here. I'll remove all the drawing and we'll go from the start. Okay, if you go back, okay, so if you get out from the replay, let's see if we can go out. Okay, this is where we are today. Okay, I took the trade on the 15th of May. We'll do a replay from here, okay, which is what I was seeing, and I will talk you through my thinking process. When I go to the chart, okay, I only see the charts once in the morning and once in the evening, and that's it. Okay, it takes me 5 minutes, not even, to go over all the pair, which are all this pair here. Okay, if you see here, the GBP was already marked because I know a trade was coming, and the market in the price, sorry, in the forex market can do only two things. Okay, price can either go up or price can go down. That's the only two things price can do. How does price move? Price moves in a trend. Okay, price go down, then does a retracement, then expands another time, retraces, expand, retraces, expand. This is a downtrend. Okay, on the downtrend, price expands on the downside and retraces on the upside. That's what it does all the time. If you see here, price expands, retraces, expands, retraces, expands, retraces, expands. Okay, that's all price do all the time. When I see an expansion, we can expect a retracement. Okay, so when I see price moving sharply in one direction, okay, I know I can expect a retracement. I don't know when the retracement is going to happen, but I just know that a retracement might come. Okay, in this case, I was looking at the chart. This is what I was seeing, and I saw that for 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row, price expanded on the downside. On top of that, price moved 160 pip from the moving averages. So that tells me that price moved a bit, so I can expect a retracement now. Okay, so all I did when I saw this thing on the chart is this: I placed a buy order. That's it. Okay, that's my whole analysis for this trade. I placed a buy order here because I know the price at this point might start to go up. Where did I put my stop loss and my target? First of all, I don't use stop losses. I know it's strange, I know it's wild, but I use DCA. Okay, I use dollar cost averaging. I don't use stop losses. I've been trading for the past 8 years. Okay, and I've been doing all this strategy. Okay, I've tried everything, and this is what stuck to me the most. Okay, I've been consistently profitable for the past year and a half, and I was able to grow my account more than 150%. All live, all documented. You can see the link in the description if you want to see my FX book and if you want to see my broker statement as well. Okay, so I don't use stop losses. I was saying I will use DCA. How do I do that? After a certain amount of pips of drawdown, let's say it's 50 pips, I will enter another buy trade. Okay, I will set up a buy limit in this case. So if price keeps going down, it will trigger my limit. I will use the same lot sizes, which is fixed and it varies based on the account balance that you have. The bigger the account, the bigger the lot size that you can use. And I'll just place 1 or 2 buy limit in this case. So if price ever keeps going down, okay, it will trigger all my limit order, and as soon as the price comes back up, I can either close a break even here, or I can make even more profit here, okay? This works because I use a very small position size compared to my account, pretty much the lowest position size that you can use on Forex. And we are on a daily, so if price keeps going down, okay, like all the way down here, price moved 300 pips in one direction, which is a lot. It will usually, a retracement will happen sooner than that. So that's my approach, okay? What happened here? Here I took the trade, as I said. I enter a buy position here, okay? And what happened is price just went straight up, okay? And just I closed the trade around here, at 85 pips profit. Why did I close the trade here? I was doing something else and I already had my TP set up here, but the reason is because there is a barrier here, okay? A barrier is a place where price might react, okay? Where price bounced in the past, and if price comes back to the barrier again, it might bounce again. So in this case, if the price came back here, reached the barrier, and what it did is it got rejected and started to go down, okay? So this was a good exit for me. And that's it. That's my whole analysis, okay? I just look at the chart. I see if there is, if price is overextended in one direction, and if that's the case, I'll enter a trade to get the retracement on the opposite side, okay? If you go back here, that's my trade, okay? I entered here and exit up there, and that was a trade. I made profit. I'll show you here, okay? There we go. This is my there you go, 75 profit here, and these are all the trades that I took in the last couple of months. And yeah, that's it. All the trades are documented. All the thing is on my FX book, so you can go check those out if you want. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.